Okay, very good. Children, hi. The time now is 4 p.m. All right. Thank you for coming for this math mock lesson, mock 3 lesson, I mean. All right. So as I told the class just now, the boot camp, right, for September will be these 3 days, today, tomorrow, and Monday, okay? Anyway, Monday is your school holiday. So you can actually attend this 3 days of lesson. Some of you are going back on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you see? So we plan nicely, so that you will not miss any lesson in school. Rocks, right? Okay, so just now I was trying to say that, okay, where can you find the PSLE boot camp, the one in August? All right, so a quick one just to show it to you. This is our website. I believe you have seen our website, all right? You have been going in so often, right? You can actually go to the dashboard. All right, every one of you should have this dashboard and click on the revision pack. All right, because this PSLE bootcamp is something special. It's not in the normal place. So you click on the revision pack. After you click on the revision pack, you can click on the this one will come up. The PSLE revision pack will come up. For me, because I have the O-level one, all right, because I teach up to O-level, some of you knows that, all right, so you will see the PSLE revision pack, and the PSLE revision pack will be up to the 15th of October only, okay? So you click on revision pack, go to your PSLE revision pack, all right, and you click on the lesson plan. Oh, okay, the is my own self one, not in the system. Okay, so you can look at the math portion, the math PSLE bootcamp, check this out. You see, August day 1, August day 2, August day 3. All right, so down here consists of your what? Consists of your mock 1 and mock 2. We finished the entire mock 1 and mock 2 in these 3 days. We are amazing. I know you are amazing. All right, then we also got the science. Science also got this portion there. All right, PSLE bootcamp. Science, yeah, August day 1, August day 2, August day 3, and also for the English. All right, so it's everything is inside for you. Understand or not? All right, so you can find it down here. Is that okay? All right, so for the September one, yes, it will be available. Just give us a few days to upload. All right, 3 to 4 days it will be up in the system already. Then you will find down here maybe another one. All right, Science PSLE Bootcamp August, and another one, Science PSLE Bootcamp September. Is that okay? Okay, so this is the place where you find the recordings. Is that okay? Okay, let's start the lesson properly. You see, got 31 students already. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, just now got 16, now 31 already. Very good. All right, so children, let's talk a little bit about the mock 3 paper 1. We'll be focusing on the paper 1 today. I want to finish up to question 25. So my aim is to finish up to question 25. So booklet A, we must complete it, and booklet B, we finish up to question 25. Tomorrow we will start off with paper 1, booklet B, question 26 to 30. We will finish up with paper 1. Then we will go into paper 2. So paper 2, I was thinking of doing from question 1 to question 10. And day 3, right? Day 3 we'll be doing on paper 2 from question 11 to question 17. So as you can see, it's so spread out. Whoa, so relaxed, this bootcamp, right? Okay, come. Let's go into the paper 1 mock 3. Okay, what do you need? All right, if you can have the exercise book or notebook, or some of you even have this math book where you put all the formulas inside. Wow, that would be great. You can write down some of the notes. Your stationery, as you know, I like to have colors. All right, and of course your attention and focus. If you manage to print out the mock 3 paper, that would be even better. Can? Okay. So down here, yes, 27 more days to the math paper. All right, so this number is actually smaller because the first paper is not math, right? The first paper, I think, is English, right? Yeah, so there will be about maybe 26 more days. Okay, so don't worry, all right? It's less than a month. It's very exciting. Remember, you're putting all these 6 years of effort into this one paper, and you guys are fully ready. All right, you have studied enough. You are just doing your revision now. You are confident. You want to attack the paper. All right, so you can do it. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. You are very good already. Try to aim for at least an AL3 for math. That is what I wish for you guys. All right. If you can go for AL1, it's even better. That time somebody asking me how much I score for my PSLE. All right. In the old system, I only score 196. Really? All right. It's less than 200. I don't even have a 2-digit, My goodness. I mean, don't have a 2 in front. All right. It's a 196. Very pathetic. I know. But please, for you guys, you are much more better than me. All right. You have the all the necessary resources. Your parents are so supportive. All right, your teachers are always there for you. So you must do better than me. Really, try, push yourself. All right, and try to maintain the score that you're holding. Some of you are telling me that you're scoring 88. Some of you are scoring 90 something. Some of you are scoring 78. Good job, good job. All right, maintain that score, and if you can, give yourself a little bit more improvement by 3 to 4 more marks, and you will be there. Cool. All right. So talking so much, right? I know. You see, 5 minutes already. Okay. Anyway, I believe you know the exam format, right? The exam paper format. All right. So this 45 marks, right? The paper one. If you can score it, 45 can get about 42 one. All right. It's possible. 42 marks is possible. If you can get 45, it's even better. Yes. All right. So we'll be focusing on this paper 1 booklet A, question 1 to 15, followed by booklet B, 16 to 25. Let's go. Okay. So down here, let's take a look at this question. I'll be going slow, don't worry. I'll be finishing on time, don't worry. All right, so you're supposed to round off 122.456 to the nearest 100th. All right, when people use the word 100th, do you know something? All right, this nearest 100 can be written as nearest what? Nearest 2 decimal place also. You know that? It's the same thing. Right, so sometimes in math, right, they use different words to frighten you, but it's actually meaning the same thing. Okay? Okay, so down here you have 122.456. Okay, if you want, you can even write out the placing of these numbers here. Okay, so this one is the ones. I always like to start off with the ones. Then I go left and right. All right, this one will be your tens. With the S, can you see all this got S one at the back? And this is your hundreds place. Then towards your right, what happened? This will be your what? This will be your no, there's no such thing as one no one it's called your tens. All right, followed by your hundreds. All right, I like to pronounce out the ci. All right, and the thousands. Can you see? Yeah, so all this very familiar, right? Okay. So down here, they are looking for the nearest hundreds, means down here. So in order to determine whether the 5, should we round up or maintain, we have to look at the next number. The next number is a 6. 6 is above 5, so you have to push it up. So I read this as 45. 45 plus 1 will give you a 46. And not forgetting the front numbers. All of them you have to copy back. All right, so the approximate sign, and this is your answer. 122.46. Answer is a 4. Is that okay? Yeah, all right. So not difficult can be done. Don't worry. Easy questions like this will come out also. And when it comes out, please secure it. Don't give it away. All right, some of you are so careless here and there, and you miss out marks here and there. It's very, very, in Chinese, in I think it's Malay, we call it very sayang. Right, it's very dear. I know it's very wasted, that kind of feeling. Can? All right, so you must try your best to secure all these marks. Don't give it away. Okay, next question, question 2. Algebra, my goodness, easy. So down here, I will try to group all the what? The K family under the orange line, and I will gather the numbers under the green line. Colors. Can? So I will rewrite them out again. Okay. First, I can write out the question 14K plus 8 minus 2K minus 3. All right. So I purposely group them in colors, and I rearrange them. I wrap them out as 14K. And remember the minus 2K, the minus, right? This minus belongs to 2K. Everyone has a friend. All right. So what do I mean by that? It means that this negative belongs to this 3. This positive belongs to this 8. All right. And this negative belongs to this 2K. Sure, then the 14K got no friend. The 14K got a friend. It's a hidden friend in front. It's just that we don't write. When it's hidden, it's a plus. Very good. Some of you know this. All right. Some of you are chatting with me and you are writing that before I wrote that. Good job. All right. So 14K minus 2K plus 8 minus 3. Okay. By now, you should know this very well. So I'm just doing a rearranging here. 14K minus 2K. K is like kangaroo. 14 kangaroo minus 2 kangaroo. I'm left with 12 kangaroo. All right, it's 12 kangaroo. Okay, and also 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is a 5. Okay, if you're not sure, use your finger. Like 8 minus 3. Got 5, got 5. All right, and therefore your answer will be what? 12k plus 5. 12k plus 5, answer is a 3. Is that okay? Easy, easy. All right, so not too difficult. Algebra for P6 is actually quite simple. When you reach secondary school, that's where the fun comes in. Okay, question 3. In the scale below, what do you see? What is the value of A? So this is our question. Let me just try to introduce you something called gap and difference. I think you heard of this before. All right. So usually what I do, I count the gap down here. See, this is how many gap from 7.8 to 7.9. 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gap, 5 gap. So there are 5 gaps here. And these 5 gaps represents what? These 5 gaps you're supposed to represent the difference of these two numbers. So what is 7.9 difference means? Minus 7.8, right? Is a 0.1. Can you see that? So these 5 gaps, right? These 5 gaps actually represents what? These 5 gaps actually represents the 0.1. And as you know, I like to find what? Find one gap first. Always look for the 1. All right, it's equal to what? It's equal to 0.1. All right, from 5, how do you get to 1? From 5, how do you get to 1? You divide by 5 here. Whatever you do on one side, you must do on the other side. Sure, cannot use calculator. Then how to divide? Don't panic, children. You're strong enough. You're strong enough to change decimal to fraction, fraction to decimal. All right, just be flexible. Cool? So 0.1, right? Do you know that 0.1 can be written as what? 0.1 can be written as 1/10. That's called 0.1. All right, divide by 5. Divide by 5. And when you divide by 5, fraction can divide, meh? Cannot, right? Change the divide to a times what? All right, this 5 is actually 5 over 1, right? So when you change it, right, to a times, you must flip it, flip the back side. So now becomes 1 over 5. Is that true? You see, you can actually do all this. All right, be very flexible when you do your math. Right, chill, man. Okay, so now how do you multiply? Top times top, bottom times bottom. 1 times 1 is a 1. 10 times 5 is a 50. Sure, how do you express this as a decimal? Don't worry. Decimal, you want the denominator to be a what? 10, 100, or 1,000, right? Can I change this to a 100? Can. So it will be 2 over 100, right? And 2 over 100 can be written as what? We call this 200ths. 200ths can be written as 0.02. Can you see or not? Bam. So through this exercise, right, do you feel familiar with all this? Because everything is coming together. Fraction, decimal, no problem. Everything you can link together, right, is actually quite fun. All right, you must find the joy, find the, you know, the fun part of doing math, where you can do the interchange and all the conversion. Wow. So 1 little gap is 0.02. Can you see that? Okay. So down here, right, there's how many? How many to reach A? 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 little gap, 4 gap. All right. So 4 gaps will give you what? You simply take your 0.02 times 4. Oh, this is easy. I can mental sum. 4 times 2 is 8. 0.08. Can you see? So the starting number is 7.9. Starting number is here. Okay, this one 7.9 plus your 0.08. All right, so you need to know the difference between the gaps and the number, the difference. All right, the gaps and the difference. Okay, later if you got time, I want to show you one question. All right, after the class. All right, I hope that you can stay on with me. All right, answer is 7.98. Answer is a 4. Some people very fast. Sure, one look, I can see the answer. Good for you. All right, but I'm just teaching it as a general. This is our question. Sometimes the gap is not very easy to count one. All right, sometimes the gap is not very easy to count, but this is how you do it step by step. Okay? All right, we have time. I will explain a little bit more of such things to you. I think it's important. So this is called gap and difference. Okay, okay. So answer is 7.98. Okay, moving on. Okay, so what is question 3? Question 4. Question 4 is something like gaps and difference also. Do you see that? Do you see that? Where got? Down here, check this out. This is like 1 gap here. Let's take a look on the right-hand side. This is 1 gap here, 2 gap here, 3 gap here. Can you see that? Oh yeah. So down here there's 3 gaps, Yep. All right. 3 gaps. Then down here is what? Total 4 gaps, 5 gaps, right? So we always look at the total. to compare with the difference, which is what? From 500 to what? From 500 to, this is a